So my son's teacher is retiring, and they're gonna surprise him today with one flower, but here I go doing a little extra making it nice for her. So whenever we drop off the kids, got 3 hearts. 1, where's the other one? It's hiding. 2 and 3. And we got 3 flowers and some greenery at the back of it. And then I got this to tie it. Just trying to fix it up a little bit more, so that way we can see the hearts. Maybe I just lower that down a little bit, because, okay, I think I'll just put the hearts down like that so we can see it better. Because it's hiding. Yeah. I think that'd be good. So like that. See the hearts. 3 hearts. Then fold that in half and tie it. This is the tricky part. So you could put it underneath the hoop. That's one way to do it. And tie it really, really well. What do you guys think? Yeah? Not bad? Open it up a little bit. It's actually really nice. So there it is. That little strand like that. I'll tie it one more time. Put it over. Just like that. And then again, one more time. Put your hand over. It's actually not bad. Not too bad. And then I gotta make sure it's tight enough. So just do this. Put you upside down for a second. I gotta make a knot. 1 more. Do. And what do you guys think? Is it pretty? Put the hearts out. Ta-da! I'll do a quick 360. Okay, see it? It's not bad. I didn't do too bad. So there you go. Flower for her retirement. Hearts with white roses and some greenery at the back. Then my son will, when the teacher would open the door in my car, say, "Hey teacher," pretend I'm the son. "Hey teacher, here's for you, flower for you." There you go. Okay, time to go to school. Thought I did a decent job. I think it's tight enough. Should be, hopefully. Okay, oh, I think it's starting to loosen up a bit. Don't loosen up now. Okay. La, 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 excited, Miguel?
Yes.
We're almost there in school. Brights. Let's put that there. Let me get you. Whoa. All right. Here, put this on your backpack first. Got it. Other one. Put on. Okay. And you hold this. Okay. Wait for the teacher. Let me see. Show. Right here. Got a flower. Okay, put it down. Put it down. Hide it. You gotta hide it. You gotta hide it. No, no, no. Just hide it. From here, down here. Right? And wait for teacher. That's Mrs. Davis right there. That's Mrs. Davis right there. Or is that Mrs. Davis?
I'm not Mrs. Davis.
Who's Mrs. Davis? Okay.
Hi, Miguel.
Hello.
Lovely. Lovely. Here comes Miguel.
So cute. He ran. He's so excited to go to school every time. He likes his school. He has one more day. Tomorrow is his last day here. Yay. Let's go that way. La, 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 la. Beautiful and sunny day. It's gonna get warmer, I believe, this coming week, something like that. Come on, buddy. Let's go. Let's go. Ooh.
Hi, buddies. Hi. Hello, buddy. Hi. Did you get your treaties? treaties.
Let's go. Aww. Slow down. This way. This way. Good morning.
Who is this?
Cody.
Cody.
Our buddy Cody. Come on, bud.
Wow. Outfit check.